slanging the thousands of black died in the hurricane. It's made in America, made in America.
Let's go.
Crack babies, black slavery and HIV entered in the late 80s. Made in America, made in
This one right here.
Made in America, made in America.
Let's get it. Again, I have a big focus on trying to get content out. I'm gonna rock this GoPro 8, man, for as long as possible. I don't have the Insta360 anymore, but I'm gonna try my best to try to get something to maybe once I get another camera to rig this Hero 8 up to get a unique view, kind of like the 360, but I don't know how that's gonna go yet. I'm just kind of, I honestly am kind of fed up with GoPro, dude. It is such a hassle, man. Like, for example, I was trying to get the camera rigged up today, make sure that everything was sitting correctly and fitting correctly, and it wouldn't turn on. And sometimes this happens when you're running an external battery source to the GoPro. Once you plug in the charger, it automatically will start charging it, and if you try to turn it on sometimes, it won't turn on. So I had to take everything. I had to take the media mod, I had to take it off of the chin mount, I had to take the GoPro out of the media mod just to remove the battery inside the GoPro 8, because even if you run an external battery, you still need the internal battery for it to work correctly. And I had to, and then boom, it turns on just fine. It's like, I don't know, man, it's just such a hassle, dude. Like, there's no reason that GoPro still does the same exact thing. Like, it's okay to use, like, if I wasn't gonna use the GoPro for like the audio and whatnot, then I wouldn't mind. Honestly, I wouldn't mind at all. But I would just throw it on there. I wouldn't worry about the media mod, but because I need it for the audio, you know, I run the microphone and everything, like, it's just necessary, you know what I'm saying? So it sucks, man, not being able to get this thing on and off quickly, which is why, like I said, I'm leaning more to the action, the DJI Action 4, Osmo Action 4, man. I'm really leaning towards that. Just because of the magnetic mount, and it's just much easier to deal with. My only concern with the Osmo 4 Action 4 is I just want to make sure that I can have the external battery set up, because I've gotten so used to it, and it's just nice not having to worry about your setup dying. It's a really nice not having to worry about your shit dying. So I kind of got stuck with the Osmo Action 4 because I have a couple of pieces in there that I want to try, but I haven't confirmed that it'll still work with the microphone and with it charged to the external battery. So I had one solution for sure. Somebody said that the microphone cuts out every so often. Woo, it's 6th gear and that motherfucker just pulling, bro. I had to look down and see it to make sure I was in see. Make sure what gear I was in. That shit pulled off quick. Now I am gonna chill on this road because it's super windy. They're doing a lot of construction. Yes, sir. Bike has so much power, man, and it's so smooth. Now that I'm getting the shifting down a lot much better, and I'm trusting the quick shifter, it really is an effortless bike to ride, man. It really is. It's just got gobs of power, dude. It's just it's insane, dude. It's insane. And this is coming from somebody like I was kind of dead set on. I was kind of dead set on. Let me fix. I was kind of dead set on getting the S1000. And honestly, this was a compromise and not a compromise at the same time. I mean, S1000RR is my dream bike because, like I said, it's got everything on it, heated hand grips, all that good stuff. It's like a total package. And I even saw a guy, Anari Films, he was talking about his, he was selling his, and he was saying, you know, there's nothing wrong with the S1000RR. It's that it was just too boring. And I was just like, what? How the hell is it too boring? And he said it's just so easy to ride that it's kind of has like no personality. It's just boring ride. And I'm just like, how is that possible, you know? This thing is fun. So I'm not in a big rush because I know, in my opinion, that's probably the perfect bike for me. But I don't know yet. You know, I really don't know. Right now, this bike, you need a Suzuki in your life. I definitely thought I would own a Kawasaki, a ZX-10, before I owned a Suzuki, though. That's for sure. Yes, sir. Ooh. This hoe be moving, bruh. I need to get some new gloves and shit too. I need to get some new gloves and stuff. I love these gloves though. I've been having them for so long. They're so comfortable. They're broken in. They got the knuckle guards, Kevlar knuckle guards, all that stuff, man. And basically these are like combat gloves. And that I used while I was in the military service. So I always, for some reason, maybe it's just like an army thing, but I've always used like not necessarily exclusively combat gloves, but I do have a tendency to use combat gloves, and although they're good, I don't think they're the exact, it's not the right fit for riding. Definitely need something that's more gonna save my palms in case I happen to fall off the fucking bike, God forbid. So yeah, there's I need something more slide proof. Something a little more side proof. Something a little more side proof. When I came over here the other night, they were doing so much fucking, they were doing a lot of construction. Yes, sir. Oh man, the jeans is looking nice. These need to be some MBT jeans. I need some. Gonna have to try to slide a hoodie or some jeans in the MBT after the next upgrade, that's for sure, man. Parts and stuff are good, but like I said, gear is always the best. My riding jacket is not necessarily a riding jacket, it's a bomber jacket. I need more protection, so I'm gonna get an MBT. The engine braking in this thing is crazy. It really does give you a nice, comfortable feel when you try to maneuver this bike. I don't even want to go inside, man. I don't want to go inside at all. It's so fucking nice out today, man. It's just knowing your roads, man. Yes, sir! funny because when I be looking down, I'll be like, I ain't even going that fast. It feels like I'm going fast though. Now when I'm out with the fellas, man, and I be looking down, there was a couple times on the last ride, you'll see it a lot on the video because my damn camera's pointed down the whole damn time. Like, I was shocked. I kept looking down, I was like, oh shit, I'm going way faster than I thought I was. So I guess when I tend to ride with others, I tend to ride a little bit faster. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Oh, okay, I thought it kicked me out. My podcast. Yeah, you know, we just on Instagram at the same time. You know what I'm saying? What to do, baby. Thank you for coming, checking out the videos, baby. I love you guys. Hey man, let's hit 100 subscribers, man, by the end of this month. I can care less necessarily about the numbers per se. I just like the engagement. So do your thing, hit the like button, subscribe. Let's do this journey together, man. This is crazy, man. So damn blessed to have this bike, have an opportunity to ride on a super sport once again. Wow.